Khadisiacs, it's me Khadisia. So in today's video, I'm super excited because I'm going to be partnering up with CurlMix and trying out their product line, CurlMix Fresh. If you guys haven't heard of CurlMix Fresh, it's a monthly subscription box that comes with at least 3 full-size products that range from deep conditioning kits to styling kits. Also, as a subscriber, you will receive a free gift. So this is what the box is looking like. I'm unboxing it right now. We have a Mister bottle and also a travel bag that you guys saw. So now moving on to the actual products. For the month of October, CurlMix Fresh launched a Mad Maple Twist Out Kit, which comes with 4 full-size products. So that is what we're going to get into right now. First up, we have the Mad Maple Twist Out Cream, and the consistency of this cream, you guys, is really interesting. It kind of reminds me of a leave-in conditioner, but then it has the moisture of a cream, so I'm excited about this one. And then next up, we have the Mad Maple Twisting Pomade, which you guys know I love pomades, so I was really excited to see this in the kit. After that, we have the Mad Maple Twist and Shine Mist, which is an oil. And lastly, we have the Mad Maple Twist Setting Mousse. So to achieve my moisturized and defined twist out that you guys saw in the beginning, I used 3 out of 4 of the products. The only one that I didn't use was the mousse. So we're gonna jump right in, just sectioning off my hair and clipping it back. And first I'm gonna go in with some water because my hair is drying up a bit. High porosity hair, you guys already know. So after spritzing my hair a little bit with some water, I'm going to go in with the Mad Maple Twist Out Cream. Now the ingredients are very, very simple. They're right there on the front, and I'll also list them right here for you guys to check out. But the consistency of this cream is really nice and creamy. It feels lightweight, kind of like a leave-in conditioner, but it has the moisture level of a cream. So this product can actually double as a leave-in conditioner and also a moisturizing cream, which I'm really glad that I can, because I was a little bit worried when I saw that there wasn't a leave-in conditioner, but it's a multi-use product, which is amazing. Next, I'm going to follow that up with the Mad Maple Twisting Pomade, and this is just like it says. It is a pomade, so you have to like emulsify it in your fingers to kind of melt it down to like an oil texture. So I'm just taking a little bit, not too much, and I am just going to emulsify and apply it to my hair. And this kind of acts like as a styling paste. I have not tried a pomade on like wet hair before. I usually use them on dry hair, so this was really interesting, but I really like the definition that I got from using this pomade. So I'm just going to go ahead and twist my hair up and repeat this process on the rest of my hair. Also, I do want to mention that these products smell amazing. It gives me all the fall vibes, maple, like honey, just really sweet smelling products. So I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat this process, spritzing my hair with some water, applying the twist out cream, and then also some of that twisting pomade to act as my styler and also seal in the moisture. Something else that I want to note about CurlMix Fresh is that all of their kits are made fresh each month. So every month they come up with a different kit, a different theme, and they ship their products out to their subscribers. I believe it's around the 20th that their products do go out for each month. And all of their kits contain simple, natural ingredients. And of course, because they only ship their products out monthly, the quantities are limited. So if you are interested in trying out October's CurlMix Fresh kit, then definitely go ahead and go over to the website and order, because the stock is kind of limited since they are made fresh. Alright, so my hair is all twisted up, and I'm just going to go in with some more of that twisting cream on my edges to provide me with some more moisture, because you guys know these areas are super dry, my edges and my nape. So these are my twists. I have 8 of them, and I'm going to sleep on my satin pillowcase. But I also wanted to show you guys how cool this travel bag is. You can fit all of these products inside. So if you are going on a quick little trip for like work or vacation, you can fit everything in this CurlMix bag to have when you are trying to achieve a twist out. Alright, you guys, so this is actually 2 days later. I do have a bit of frizz at the top of my head, so I'm wondering if I should have used their mousse, because that says that you can use it like for flyaways. But I just went in with some oil to give my hair shine and to help me take down the twist, and I think it did kind of help with the frizz as well. And of course, this oil smells amazing too. So now I'm going to take my twist out and also separate as I go. And you guys, the shine on my hair, I mean, I used 2 products, the twist and then I used the oil today. So I did not really use a lot of product. I feel like this was a very simple type of twist out, and I got amazing definition, fantastic shine. The moisture level on my hair was great as well. So I was super impressed and happy with this twist out. I'm gonna go ahead and pick for volume and put my hair in a low bun for about 10 minutes to help stretch my hair out. So 10 minutes later, I'm going to shake my hair out and go in with that pick one last time to just give my hair the final shape that I want. And these are my results using CurlMix Fresh Mad Maple Twisting Kit. I absolutely love this twist out. It's perfect for fall. It was very easy with these simple products, and I love the concept of CurlMix Fresh, that they do come out with different kits each month. It keeps things exciting, and if you are a bit of a product junkie, I feel like this is a good way to indulge, but you're still sticking with the same brand. So if you are interested in CurlMix Fresh, then definitely check the description box down below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.